Hey everyone, and a massive welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a tool that I've personally found incredibly useful for anyone who loves to customize and enhance their Android experience through the power of modules. If you're someone who's familiar with the world of Magisk, KernelSU, or even the newer kid on the block, APatch, then you know how essential modules can be. Well, that's where our star of the show comes in. We're going to be taking a comprehensive look at MMRL, which, for those of you who haven't heard of it yet, stands for Modules Manager Repository Library. Think of it as your very own personal fortress for all things modules. Now, the core idea behind MMRL is simple yet incredibly powerful to help you manage your own modules repository. Gone are the days of endlessly scrolling through file explorers, trying to remember where you downloaded that one specific module or which version you're currently running. Now, let's talk about compatibility because this is crucial. MMRL isn't picking sides in the great rooting debate. It proudly supports Magisk, KernelSU, and APatch. Whether you're a long-time Magisk user, exploring the benefits of KernelSU's modular approach, or experimenting with the systemless patching capabilities of APatch, MMRL is designed to work flawlessly with your chosen rooting method. And finally, let's not forget about the user experience. MMRL isn't just functional, it's also a joy to use. Built with the modern Android development tools Jetpack Compose and following the principles of Material Design 3, the app boasts a clean, intuitive, and visually appealing interface. In this video, we're going to dive even deeper into the features of MMRL, walk you through how to set it up and use it effectively, and explore some of the cool things you can do with it. So, if you're excited to finally get your module collection under control, make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment below with your thoughts on module management, and definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the action. Let's get started and take a closer look at MMRL.